Hello and welcome to part 1 of video series on Mendeley Reference Manager. I am your blended librarian and I am here to guide you step by step in using Mendeley to manage your academic references and research papers. Whether you are writing a dissertation, journal article or assignment, this tool will simplify your work. Citation is an integral part of any research work, but collecting, reading, managing and inserting citation is time-consuming task. When we do literature review, we come across a lot of publications which are relevant to our research work. However, it is difficult to remember all documents we had referred for our ongoing research. Here, reference management software or tool helps us. Reference management software allow researchers to collect, organize and insert citations while writing research report. Why to use Mendeley? Mendeley is a free, easy to use reference manager and academic social network developed by Elsevier. It helps researchers to store and organize research papers, generate citations and bibliographies automatically, highlight and annotate PDF, collaborate with colleagues and sync their research library across devices. It is especially useful for students, scholars, librarians and anyone dealing with large volume of academic literature. Mendeley stands out in other reference managers as it supports multiple citations like APA, MLA, Chicago and more. You can use Mendeley offline and sync it when the internet is available. It has Word plugin for easy in-text citation. You can install a browser extension to save papers directly from database or journals, and most importantly, it is completely free. Let us now walk through how to install Mendeley. Go to www.mendeley.com. Click on Download button to download Mendeley. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. Download the setup file and run the installer. Once installed, open your Mendeley software. If you don't have an account yet, click Create Account. Enter your name, email ID and password. You can also sign in with your existing Elsevier login. You now have access to your very own digital research library. How we got all these files that we will see in part 2. That's it for part 1. In the next video, we will learn how to build your Mendeley library by adding references manually, importing PDFs and using the web importer tool. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next part. See you soon. Dev bare karu.